If you're experiencing frame stuttering while playing PUBG, there are several adjustments you can make to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to enhance your game's performance. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers, which can improve performance and fix bugs. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings in PUBG. Navigate to the settings menu and reduce options such as texture quality shadows and anti-aliasing. This can help your system run the game more smoothly. Step 3. Optimize system performance. Close any unnecessary background applications before launching the game. This frees up system resources, allowing PUBG to use more CPU and RAM, which can reduce stuttering. Step 4. Check for overheating. Ensure your computer is not overheating. Clean dust from fans and ensure proper airflow. Overheating can cause your hardware to throttle performance, leading to stuttering. Step 5. Adjust Windows settings. Change your Windows power settings to high performance. Go to Control Panel Power Options and select the High Performance plan. This setting prioritizes performance over energy savings. By following these steps, you should notice an improvement in frame stuttering while playing PUBG. Enjoy a smoother gaming experience.